Business overview. The Everai Company is a company run by one wise man and two beautiful women. This company engaged in product assembly, with the main product Spacebook. Spacebook is a tool used to learn about the solar system with a visual learning style. With this product, we are trying to reach the upper middle class consumers, and our advertising will be done online and direct method to improve brand awareness. STP analysis, segmenting. Geographical, we are going to sell this product around educational centers or education cities. Demographical, Spacebook is a teaching aid or teaching tool that can be used for elementary school to junior high school. Psychographical, we are going to sell our product to children who have a visual learning style, which is focused on vision and kinesthetic learning style that involve movement. Behavior, the Spacebook is a high-priced product, just like its quality. Therefore, the targeted consumers are consumers who have the behavior using product with high quality and price. Targeting. The company will use product specialization because this product are not only marketed in the educational environment but also to consumers such as household, because of course there are consumers who not only want to study at school, right? Positioning. To increase brand awareness, the company created a tagline for Spacebook product, that is, our space inside our boats. In addition, various advertisements will be carried out, especially on social media, both in the environment from advertisement, directly from the application, or using endorsed services. Marketing mix. Spacebook using 4P in analyzing company marketing mix. That is, first one, product. Spacebook is a teaching tool that is used to visualize the solar system. This product has a box and wheel that are useful to facilitate product movement. Price. The Spacebook will be sold at 325,000 rupiah and taking place at Jalan Cikoneng, Perum Akita, Ruko nomor 18K, Bojong Soang, Kecamatan Bojong Soang, Bandung, Jawa Barat. The promotion is carried out in the form of online advertising, both social media or website, and over products directly to customer.
So in this section, I will explain strategy and planning marketing. Promotion is carried out the form online advertising, both social media or website, and we offer product directly to consumer too. And for planning marketing, there is internal factor and external factor. Internal factor divided by two. The first one is strength and the second is weakness. Our product strength has advantage of having additional feature when compared to existing product. First, in terms of visualization, the Spacebook can describe the solar system in more detail. And the second, the wheels can help make easy to move the product. And the weakness of our product is our product have a quite expensive price. And for external factor, we have opportunity entry in here. Our opportunity is easy to get supplier of material use and have a high number of requests so that distributor can loyal to the product. And the threat is the number of customer reduced because the price of our product is quite expensive, has the same market as with the existing product. In the table, this is the sales target based on the field survey and production volume. In the analysis sales target based on field survey for the next 6 years, it's estimated that the number of purchase in 2021 is 3,873. In 2022 is 3,876, and so on. And we have production volume table in here. In the analysis sales volume for the next 6 years, the estimate number of purchase in 2021 is 3,011. In 2022 is 3,950, and so on. In this section, I will explain human resource planning. This table is contain human resource planning before requirement, and I will explain human resource planning after requirement. Determination of HR estimation need by Our company, after the recruitment research, consists of 11 parts. So we have 7 parts before recruitment, and we need 11 parts after recruitment, which start from the executive, the production general manager, marketing and sales manager, production line head, supervisor HRD, supervisor finance, marketing and sales supervisor, HRD staff, finance staff, and marketing and sales staff. And the production operator section required 8 people because desired by the company. And of course, each position has its own role, and if all positions can work well together, the company can meet the target to be achieved.
Financial projection. Firstly, we do a calculation of production and operational costs. For production cost is the sum of direct costs and total overhead costs, and it will increase annually as shown as on the table. For the operational cost, it will also increase annually as shown as on the table. So the total production and operational cost in 2021 is around 2 billion rupiah, and in 2025 to around 3 billion rupiah. For debt installment, we have attribute of installment calculation as shown as on the first table. Mandiri Bank said the interest of loan is 9.95%. The installment table calculation per year showed remaining debt, total principal installment, and many others. Then, same total installment is obtained each year from the first year until the 5th year is around 31 million rupiah. Cost of goods sold. We have to know the selling volume, production, and final inventory before. At the COGS calculation, the total direct cost and total overhead cost, it will add up become cost of goods sold and increase annually as shown as on the COGS table. At the COGS table, it will also explain about cost of goods sold per product. This is the calculation of production and sales. So selling production rounding per product in 2021 is 632,000 rupiah to around 878,000 rupiah in 2025. Profit and loss. Profit and loss table show about our total income, total direct cost, total overhead cost, and many others until we get our gross profit as shown as on the table. After that, total operational costs are also calculated. Then we get EBIT, interest expense, EBT, tax of 1%, and earning after interest and tax as shown as on the table. This is our company cash flow, which contains cash in and cash out. Then we get net cash flow, beginning cash balance, and final cash balance that's shown in the blue table. Balance sheet show the data about the total current asset, total intangible asset, and many others from 2021 until 2025. So we obtain total asset around 644 million rupiah in 2021 to around 1 billion rupiah in 2025. Liabilities and owner equities. This table show our total liabilities and total owner equities each year as shown as on the table. Feasibility and sensitivity analysis. Firstly, we do calculation of net profit value and payback period. We get NPV as shown as on the table and payback period for around 4 years. After that, from this calculation table, we get internal rate of return in amount of 25%. And from this calculation table, we get benefit cost ratio of 1.12. This is raw material sensitivity. For 7%, the NPV is around minus 39 million rupiah, and for 6%, the NPV is around 94 million rupiah. So, raw material costs are sensitive to an increasing in amount of 6.76%. To selling price sensitivity calculation, for 3%, the NPV is around minus 527 million rupiah, and for 2%, the NPV is around 94 million rupiah. So, raw material costs are sensitive to an increasing in amount of 2.96%. In this case, The internal rate of return value is greater than MAR value of 25.03% and the BCR value is greater than 1, which is 1.12. So, FRIO 59 company is feasible to run this business.
In this section, I will explain the distance between supplier and the candidate location. In this table, there is a company A, B, and C, which the company A is located in Bandung Regency, and company B is located in Bandung City, and company C is located in Cimahi City. And there's a supplier, which supplier box, supplier wheel, and the supplier miniature. And there is the distance between company and supplier. Next, in this table is to determining the factor rating. And in this table have a factor which a quantitative and qualitative factor. And then we have weight in here, and the total must be 1. And there's a company A, B, and C, which locate in Bandung Regency, Bandung City, and Cimahi City. And there is score and total score. The choose location for the factory construction is Bandung Regency. Why? Because Bandung Regency has the highest value when compared to Bandung City and Cimahi City, which is equal to 80. In this section, I will explain the routing sheet. This is the table of routing sheet. There is an operation, facility name, processing time, theoretical machine capacity, and so on. Based on the routing sheet in here, it can be seen that the number of product units that must be prepared every day by our company is 20 units. Then the number of facilities that our company needs is 11 facilities.
Maximum stacking. Total stacking is obtained from the calculation result by comparing the dimension of MHE and materializing formula. The combination chosen is a combination that has the largest amount. As an example, in receiving 2 GBBU box, the combination chosen is a combination of LWH with a total value of 400. Because the combination has the largest calculated value among the other calculated values, the LWH combination will be selected. Amount of MHE chosen is 2. With the 2 MHE and 1 delivery, resulting in a processing time of 219 minutes, and where 19 deliveries resulted in 40 minutes in the first process and total of 274 minutes. The most optimal amount of delivery time is 274 minutes, and number of recurrency for delivering for each process is 19. The total area is obtained by calculating each area of production. For example, the major table 1 have total length 7 meter and total width 6 meter, and the total area is 42 meters square. And then the other all total area is 483 square meter. The form to chart. In order to determine the value of number in form to chart, we need the material handling cost table as follows. And to calculate for example, after knowing the values of the table, we then work on the form to chart. For example, the 30,770 rupiah in REC form to GBBU2 is obtained by looking at the total cost needed to bring material from the receiving area to GBBU. Likewise, the other subsequent costs, after completing the costs for each material movement, we will add up the total cost for each product area. That's all.
This is initial layout after ERC. An activity relationship chart is a tabular means of displaying the closeness rating among all activities or departments. And that's our final layout after we input and process the initial layout on WinKSB. The conclusion is we choose final layout iteration 3 then 2 department as the best final layout, which has lowest cost with the total cost around 70,000 rupiah and distance around 5,000 meters.